I remember how difficult it was making my very first sale on ClickBank a couple of years ago. And in today's video, I'm going to make sure you don't go through all those hurdles and you can start making money right away and avoid all beginners' mistakes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote digital products online and earn sweet commissions without having to create your own products. All you just simply need to do is promote someone else's product and you get a cut of the sale. So today I'm going to show you exactly how ClickBank affiliate marketing works for beginners, and I'm literally going to break it down step by step, even if you have zero experience. So in a nutshell, you'll learn how ClickBank works, how to pick profitable products, how to promote ClickBank products, and how to avoid beginner's mistake, and you can start earning realistic income online with ClickBank. So make sure to watch this video to the end as I'll share the biggest mistakes I see beginners make, which prevents them from making any sale on ClickBank. So for the benefit of those who don't know what ClickBank is basically an affiliate marketplace where people sell digital products like courses, fitness programs, ebooks, softwares, coaching programs, etc. When regular people like you and I just need to promote these products through an affiliate link, and when someone buys the product through our link, we earn a commission. And usually the commission is within the range of 20 to 80% of the sale. So it depends on the product you're promoting. So this means you can easily make anywhere from 20 to over $100 for every sale, depending on the product you are promoting. And now that you know how ClickBank works, signing up is very easy. All you need to do is to go over to clickbank.com, which is going to bring you to the website. As you can see here, ClickBank has paid over $7.3 billion to affiliates. And that tells you many people are making a ton of money on this platform. And once you're on this page, you want to sign up as an affiliate. Like I mentioned earlier, we are going to be promoting other people's products. And when we make a sale, we get a cut of the sale. All right. So all you just need to do here is to then click on affiliates start here. Okay. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you a couple of questions, but you can really skip this part if you don't want to do it. Okay. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you can sign up and get your own ClickBank account. So you want to basically come over here, just like any other platform, you want to fill your basic information like your country, your first and last name, phone number, email, and password. Once you do that, this is really all you need to do to create your own ClickBank account. And for those wondering how you get paid on ClickBank, they have various methods available. You can get paid through bank deposits, you can get paid through check or Payoneer. Okay, so these are the available payment methods you can use to receive your payments on ClickBank. So the next step is choosing a product to promote on ClickBank. So now I'm going to show you how to pick the right product on ClickBank. Okay. So once you have created your account, your dashboard should look like this. All you just simply need to do here is to come over to where it says account. Okay. So once you click on account, you will be able to see your account right here. So I'm just going to click on this to log in. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to your affiliate dashboard, which is going to look like this. All you just need to do is to scroll up and you want to then click on marketplace. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to find over 1,000 products you can promote on ClickBank right away. And this is where I see many beginners make mistake. Most of the time, beginners just pick products at random because of the commission and start promoting right away. But I can tell you for free, that is a huge mistake. The first thing you want to do is to look out for products people are currently purchasing on ClickBank. And how do you know this? You can simply check the gravity score of that product. And this is a very important metric that tells you how many affiliates have made a sale promoting this product. So as you can see right here for this product as an example, over 100 affiliates have made a sale promoting this product recently. Okay. And this is a very good indicator of a product that is currently making money for other affiliates. However, as a beginner, I highly recommend to go for products within the gravity score of 20 to 100. This is because if the gravity score of a product is too low, it probably means people are not interested in that product. And also, if the gravity score is too high, like over 100, 200, or even more, it means there's heavy competition selling that product. Okay, so I highly recommend to stay within gravity score of 20 to 100. This is the sweet spot of finding profitable products on ClickBank. To find such products, all you need to do is to come over to the filter section, and here where it says gravity, and this is where you want to then type in 100. Okay, so like I said, you want to go for gravity score within 20 to 100. So you can type in 20 in this box. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show you products within gravity score of 20 to 100 you can choose from and start promoting on ClickBank. You can see this product here as an example product team. This is a popular product people are currently purchasing on ClickBank. The gravity score is 92. As you can see here, if you make a sale, you're going to get paid $158 for every sale you make. So the second metric you want to look out for is the sales page of that product. And all you need to do is to click on this view sales page. And you'll be able to tell if the sales page of that product looks legit, if it's going to convert well. And also you want to look for indicators like, does the page looks trustworthy, communicating to the right people who should buy this product? And also, does it explain the benefits people are going to get from the product? Does it contain social proof? So these are some key elements you want to look out for on the landing page. So once you find a product page on ClickBank that is not really convincing and it looks spammy, I highly recommend not to promote such products. So you want to basically skip such products. Okay. The final thing you want to look out for is the niche. You come over to categories, you are going to see various niches you can choose. And this is because all niches are not the same. And the reason is that people constantly spend more money on certain niches than others. Example is health and fitness, wealth, relationship, self-improvement. These are some of the popular niches people spend a lot of money on ClickBank. So I highly recommend go for these niches if you are starting out and looking to make your very first sale as fast as possible. So once you've chosen a product to promote on ClickBank, the next step is promoting the product and start putting the product in front of the right audience to make money on ClickBank. So you want to basically grab your affiliate link to the product. So taking this product team as an example, all you then need to do is to click on get affiliate link. So once you do that, you want to then click on continue and you want to scroll down here. And you're going to find your unique affiliate link here and you want to click on copy. So this is the link you're going to be using to promote this product. And now the next step, you want to then create a landing page for this product, or you can put the product behind a URL shortener. This is really up to you. So you can come over to platforms like tinyurl.com, or you can use bit.ly.com to shorten your affiliate link. This basically makes your affiliate link looks appealing to people and make people want to click it. Okay. You can also use a landing page as well by going over to googlesite.com, which you can use to create free landing pages. And also you can use paid options like leadpages.com to create a landing page as well. This is really up to you. Okay. The next step is then going over to YouTube, and I mean YouTube Shorts to be specific. So this is one of the best ways to get fast traffic, as YouTube gets billions of users every single month. And there are a lot of people who are interested in short form content on YouTube. So basically, short form content is one of the easiest ways you can get free traffic to any affiliate product. Just make the content, be it in form of tutorials, motivational content, or problem solving content, and I can assure you, you're going to get a lot of traffic from YouTube. All right. So I'm going to show you an example of someone in the weight loss niche. As you can see here, this is an account with just 56 subscribers. And if you come over here, as you can see, they've gotten over 25,000 views. And you can see here, this is the affiliate link right here. Okay. And most of these videos are AI videos as well. You don't even need to show your face. You can use AI to create the videos. All right. So the second channel I'm going to show you right here is this one. And as you can see, this channel has just 800 subscribers. And you can see over 100,000 views, even though they don't have a lot of subscribers. As you can see, their videos are getting thousands of views on YouTube. And like I said earlier, you don't have to show your face. You can use AI to create this type of videos in just a few minutes and upload them to YouTube, and make sure to include your affiliate link in your profile. As you can see, just like this person did right here, promoting this ClickBank product on YouTube. Okay, so this tells you a lot of people make money on YouTube with ClickBank. All right. So the next traffic source you can use to start generating traffic on your affiliate link is Reddit. And the reason why Reddit is one of the best traffic sources we can use is because it's community focused, which means all you need to do is to look for communities created around the product you're promoting. Okay, so if you are promoting a weight loss product as an example, just type in that keyword on Reddit and you want to then filter to communities. All right, so you're going to see a lot of communities under that keyword, which you can join and start sharing tips, tutorials on that subreddit before you promote your product. Okay, another similar platform is Quora. A lot of people are asking questions related to certain keywords related to the product you're promoting. Just answer those questions and then include your affiliate link, and you're going to get a lot of free organic traffic from Quora and Reddit. And finally, Facebook groups are also a good place you can get targeted traffic to your affiliate link. Just go over to your Facebook account and type in keywords related to the product, and you're going to see a lot of groups you can join and start sharing helpful tips. You don't want to go over there to start spamming your links. You want to give at least value in 2 to 3 posts before promoting your affiliate link. Also, Pinterest is also another good traffic source as well. Just go over and use AI to create appealing image content, and that way you can also share your affiliate link as well. You can see this person here is promoting fat loss product on Pinterest, and I can assure you this is an AI generated image which this person is using to promote their product on Pinterest. As you can see, people are engaging on this post as well. And I can assure you, many of them are going to go over and click on the link, which is then going to take people to the sales page of the product. And once you make a sale, you make money. The biggest mistake I see most beginners make, and this is something I used to be guilty of in the past as well, is by moving on from one traffic source to the other concurrently. I don't recommend doing this, as you are just going to be diluting your effort and you're not going to be getting good results doing that. So I highly recommend to start out with one of the traffic sources I mentioned in this video. If you're going to start out with YouTube, you want to stick to YouTube for at least a couple of weeks before you then start moving on to other social media platforms. Okay, so this way is going to let you focus 100% of your effort on one traffic source. You're going to master that traffic source within that period before you can then start building another traffic source on other platforms. So if you do this and if you stay consistent, you're definitely going to get results.